How's it going, guys? So I bought a new space heater because it's fucking freezing outside. I bought it to replace this one since this one doesn't even fucking work.
You're gonna be put away.
Okay, so let's do this. What the fuck? Oh, it says something on the back here. Hold up.
Dear valued customer, thanks so much for choosing our products. Your satisfaction is the motivation for us to develop our little startup. Any concerns or problems, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to respond within 24 hours. And we would be deeply appreciative that you could share your purchase experience if you enjoy it.
Okay, that's valid. Instruction manual? I don't need that shit. Don't need this shit either. Look at that. It's a nice solid heater, I think. It's got some easy looking controls on the top. I like it. Let's plug it in and test it. This goes into the wall. Now what? Well, let's turn it on first. Won't fucking move. It's working! So I guess this one controls the function, and this one controls the temperature? Oh yeah, I'm feeling something. Shit, maybe I should turn it down a little bit. Okay. I guess that's it. I need to delete my entire channel now. So, definitely worth the $25 off of Amazon. This is not sponsored at all, but the link for this thing is down in the comment section. It's the pinned comment. So be sure to check it out. But yeah, that's it. See ya.